Essentials by the Seashore. I am Noel Joy Pamilaran, and today I stand before you to propose the integration of tongue twister as a subject in basic education. We all know that tongue twister is a phrase or sentence designed to be difficult to pronounce, often featuring repeated or similar sounds, making it challenging to say quickly and accurately. Tongue twister will help the learners to improve listening, speaking, and reading skills. So, this policy will help not only the learners but teacher as well, for it will help to enhance their macro skills. Now, why tongue twister as a subject? Why implementing this policy? I'll have here 5 benefits of tongue twister as a subject. First, enhanced pronunciation and articulation. As I mentioned a while ago, tongue twister designed to challenge pronunciation. That's why, through this subject, the learners will be forced to practice the sounds and word combination of tongue twister. By practicing it over and over again, the more chances for improvement and the tongue twister will be delivered clearly and accurately. Second, improve fluency and confidence in speaking. Mastering tongue twister builds confidence in speaking. As the learners pronounce the words repeatedly, they will become more fluent and comfortable expressing themselves, reducing hesitation and stuttering. Third, development of listening comprehension skills. Attentively listening to a tongue twister is a must to distinguish sound differences. This strengthens auditory processing and enhances comprehension in spoken language. The next benefit is vocabulary expansion. Tongue twister often introduce new words and phrases, expanding students' vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. Lastly, fun and engaging learning experience. Tongue twisters are inherently playful and entertaining, making learning more enjoyable and motivating for students. This positive association with language can foster a love for learning. Let's talk about how this subject will be implemented. The teacher's role in implementing this tongue twister is to demonstrate proper pronunciation, pacing, and expression. The teacher will pronounce the tongue twister, emphasizing correct sounds, intonation, and rhythm. The teacher may also use visual aids and videos to illustrate proper pronunciation. On the other hand, learners may work as a whole, for they can practice with their classmates. They may work in a group or with pair to practice their tongue twister and even independently, as long as their aim is to enhance their speaking skills through tongue twister. Teachers and learners could use any ways to master and enjoy learning of tongue twister. Implementing tongue twisters in language development requires gradual increase in complexity and integration. For grade 7, basic articulation and phonological awareness will be the focus. On the other hand, grade 8 will focus on the improvement of speed and fluency with more complex sounds. Then grade 9 will focus on the integration of advanced articulation, phrasing, and creative writing. Lastly, for grade 10, complex sounds and critical linguistic analysis will be the focus. Now, let's talk about the trainings of the teachers and the other stakeholders. The trainings will be a big help for the teachers so they would know how they will implement the teaching of tongue twisters. The parents could be a big help too. by supporting their child practicing tongue twisters. They could set time where and when they practice tongue twister. They could also buy books that contains tongue twister for their child to read and to practice as well. As we all hear, tongue twister implementation will help enhance listening, speaking, and reading skills of a learner. So, I am standing here today calling for the support of other stakeholders to take action so this policy will be implemented so our learners could gain mastery of speaking skills that is mentioned in 5 benefits of tongue twister as a subject in basic education. Now, let me end with this tongue twister. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Thank you.